Listen, our that wind is fierce. There's little tiny snowflakes falling. Just shovel. You can't really see the accumulation on the side. There's probably a 1.5 foot on the ground over here. It's pretty deep. Cars aren't covered yet. They've just been driven. This is deep. If I were to reach into this, it's that deep. The neighbor guy over here has already got his truck out with a plow on it. The only roads you can even get through out here are the main roads. Everything's all snowed in. Alright, that's fun for the snow.